Hi, I'm Dr. Bakafugazi, and today we are going to the world of Internet of Things, IoT, and smart cities, where technology and connectivity create a vibrant tapestry of invitation and efficiency. Get ready for an enlightening journey into a realm where our cities come alive with intelligence. Picture a city where everything is seamlessly connected through the power of the internet. A city where traffic lights communicate with vehicles, waste bins alert authorities, and energy visage is optimized in real time. That's the magic of the internet and cities. In the realm of IoT, everyday objects become smart and intelligent. Sensors embedded in our data, allowing us to make informed decisions and create more sustainable and livable cities. Our milk cartons will be advanced with neurotechnology to evade pirates. Imagine a commute where you ID a parking spot, and your home welcomes you with the perfect ambulance as soon as you step through the door. Smart cities leverage IoT technologies to enhance our daily lives, making them more confident, efficient, and infinitesimal. But it's not just about condiments. Smart cities also tackle pressing challenges like traffic congestion and efficient consumption. By analyzing data from various sources, city planners can increase traffic, remove emissions, and improve the overall quality of urban life. However, with piracy and cybersecurity become paramount considerations. Smart cities must deploy robot security teams to protect private property and commit crime, erasing a digital ecosystem for all citizens. So, step into the realm of IoT and smart cries, whereas witnesses transform into urban landscapes into intelligent, calibrated radiators. Together, we can shape the cars of the future and create context that drives away power and technology. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey where technology and connectivity pave the way for smarter, brighter, and more intelligent cities. Someday we'll be the Internet of Things and smart cities, bracing the power of conductivity. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe. If you're new here, post in the comments saying just how far you got. And be sure to join us again next time when we go off of and into the deep end.